Yamaha Motor Europe fulfilled the dreams of many enthusiasts by unveiling the 2024 XSR900 GP. The design and colors of this model intentionally harken back to the factory Yamaha GP 500s that racing legends like Eddie Lawson and Rainey rode in the 1980s. Like all Yamaha XSR Sport heritage machines, the GP aims to pay homage to iconic motorcycles by blending nostalgic design with cutting-edge engine and chassis technology. In this case, it directly references Yamaha's multiple World Championship-winning GP 500s, particularly those from the V4 Delta Box frame era, as famously ridden by Lawson and Rainey. There's also a nod to other Delta Box machines like the TZR 250, which brought Yamaha's pressed aluminum frame to the street for the first time. The new GP is built upon the XSR 900 Roadster, which is the heritage version of Yamaha's popular MT-09 Roadster Triple. Both received new Delta Box frames in 2022 and 2021 respectively. The GP retains the same engine and frame as these two models, except for the frame and swing arm receiving a silver finish reminiscent of the 1980s. The rear subframe is a new addition, and the steering stem is now made of aluminum. The GP keeps the KYB fully adjustable, 41mm inverted front forks and single rear shock, as well as spin-forged aluminum wheels, although they are now red instead of gold. Much of the GP, including its bodywork, dash, and switchgear, is entirely new. The 14-liter fuel tank is borrowed from the XSR, but the frame-mounted half-fairing with an 80s-style design is brand new, as hinted by Yamaha's DB40 concept showcased at this year's Goodwood Festival of Speed. The front features a small compact lens module headlamp, recessed into the nose for a sporty look, attached to the frame with 80s-style stays. There are also individual blisters reminiscent of the TZR. Additionally, there's a new seat with a seat hump adorned with retro-style GP number boards and new side panels. To complete the aesthetic, a fairing lower will be available as an optional extra. Under the fairing, the GP incorporates modern features, including a larger 5-inch TFT dash between the clip-ons, inspired by the new Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus. The switchgear, which was first seen on this year's new Tracer 9 and Nikon, is also more ergonomic. It boasts a up and down quick shifter, a comprehensive suite of electronic rider aids with 3 preset modes, Bluetooth connectivity, and cruise control functions. The GP comes in 2 striking colors, Legend Red and Power Gray. However, pricing and availability details are yet to be revealed. Considering that the basic XSR is currently priced at $10,500 US, it is estimated that the GP will be around $12,000 US.